if you do want to use split screen mode, you can see we got the radio and like CarPlay down the bottom here. I'll show you how to do it. If you are having issues with, I can't do it right next to the video and I've got CarPlay hooked on this phone, but if you find you click on here and the radios are playing on your stations, just open the radio first and then do CarPlay. So for example, we can scroll that to get rid of it. So what we do is we click on radio, make sure you have the two apps are open that you want to do. So obviously you have opened them before, and then we click on that radio, and then we long click on this two squares here, and now it's giving us this, and it's asking us which one we want to choose to the bottom screen. So we're going to choose like that one, and you can see we got it going here. So this will be like your little favorites on your stations, and you can have your other maps going down here, or your music, or your phone, or whatever you need to have going on.